Here is a quick tutorial on what to do after you have scheduled a meeting with a counselor. Check your Merced College email inbox for an email directly from the counselor you are meeting with. It should look something like this. Click on the email to open it. You should be receiving this email the day prior to your scheduled meeting. Once you click it, you should see an RSVP inbox. You may click yes to confirm the appointment scheduled. Your counselor will receive a confirmation email. You may click no to decline this meeting. At this point, your counselor will cancel your appointment. You may leave a message for your counselor. Do not click maybe. Below the RSVP box, your counselor will send you an email. The email will always include a confirmation of the day and time of your appointment. Then you will have two different messages depending on what you opted your meeting to be. If you opted your meeting to be a Zoom video meeting, then you will receive a message with a link to click on for your appointment. If you opted to do a Zoom meeting through phone where there is no video, you will receive a message where there will be a phone number to dial. If you are using your laptop or desktop computer, then on your day and time of your meeting, you will go ahead and click on the link. It will redirect you to the Zoom website. From there, it will ask you to launch the Zoom application. If you have never done so, please do so. If you have done so, it will ask you to use the Zoom application to open the link. Once you have clicked to open the link, then your meeting will begin and you should see your counselor. You may also click on this link if you are using your smartphone. If you are using your smartphone, please make sure to download the Zoom application before your meeting. If you opted to do the phone meeting, make sure you dial the phone number provided. Once you dial the phone number, you will be prompted to put in your meeting ID. Your meeting ID number will be provided with your email. Your meeting ID number is unique and you will not be able to reuse it for another meeting. If you need to cancel or reschedule your appointment, please make sure that you call the phone number below. If you have trouble accessing your meeting at your appointment time, please give your counselor 10 minutes before calling any help numbers. If you do not reach your counselor at the first call, please make sure you try redialing. If you do not reach your counselor right away once you join the meeting through the Zoom link, please wait 10 minutes to see if your counselor will log on before calling any help desk.